friends, I am Jeevika. I am studying in second standard. Now I am going to do an activity in English, that is one song in English. So let us sing. On my blackboard I can draw. On my blackboard I can draw. One little house with one green door. Two brown gates that door. Two brown gates that open wide. Three red steps that lead inside. Four little chimneys painted white. Five little windows shining bright. Five little windows shining bright. Two little marigold. Three little marigold. Four little marigold. Five little marigold. Six little marigold. Six yellow marigold, straight and tall, growing up against the wall, growing up against the wall. On my blackboard I can draw one little house with one green door, two brown gates that open wide, three red steps that lead inside, four little chimneys painted white, five little windows shining bright, six yellow marigold straight and tall, growing up against the wall, growing up against the wall. Thank you.